This lightweight rammer compactor from NorthStar combines all the functions of a tamping rammer and a plate compactor for use in clay, sand, gravel, and asphalt. It's designed to let you access narrow job sites with easy turning capabilities and less operator fatigue. The 16.9-inch by 16.9-inch compacting plate produces 4,134 pounds of compacting force, powered by a reliable 5.5 horsepower Honda engine. It travels at 72 feet to 85 feet per minute to compact up to 7,200 square feet per hour to get the job done quickly. And it delivers up to 6,400 vibrations per minute for 12 inches of compaction depth. Get the combined power of a tamping rammer and a plate compactor with this lightweight rammer compactor from NorthStar.